Hey Tom, I thought I would just record a quick video so I don't have to type another email. I think I've written like 200 emails this week. So Catlin and I met on Monday, and you see on the screen I have the rubric with some of the changes that Catlin and I decided on. Really, all we need to do is clarify in the rubric that there are the two options for the assignment. The one that Nathan did, which is more academic, argue something, tear down your own argument, or argue something using one of the readings from the course, and maybe at one point, engaging with a counter argument or rebuttal or something like that. So the one is pretty academic, and then Catlin's assignment was more directly, it's all metacognition in some way, this writing, being able to think outside of a particular track of thinking, but Catlin's is more directly metacognitive because, the student is using first person. So we discussed whether or not just clarifying first or third person, and then decided that really what you're looking at is whether the student is arguing for or against the academic author, or for or against their own thinking. So we have academic author, student author. So that's what's going to change in the rubric, just clarifying which author is being analyzed or evaluated, etc. So I'll have that done. I'm going to try to finish it this afternoon, and I'll email it to you. And I told Catlin I wouldn't send stuff out to the group until the first week of January. So I'm assuming at that point we should have a document that has the two assignments, either Nathan's or Catlin's. I think we should ask the group whether or not they want the assignment, if the assignment could be both. If the student could write a paper that includes both first person and third person, analyzes, evaluates, etc., a source, a philosopher's thinking, and then also reflects on their own experience in the course and what they've learned. So I think that's a possibility, that it wouldn't have to be either or. But we should check with the group to see if that could be a third option. And I think either way, well, not either way, but whichever choice the instructor makes, option 1, 2, or 3, Nathan, Catlin's, or the combination of the two, the rubric will work. Because we could also add and or here if very easily to fit that third option. So just letting you know what Catlin and I did, what we talked about. But I think we might want to talk about when we want to meet to discuss what we have to do for the spring. I'm back in the office on the 2nd of January, so I'll be around and can meet anytime, even prior to first week of class. And then what else? Oh, that we need to send this stuff out to the philosophy group probably earlier in the year. So if you could touch base with me, that would be great. Because, we don't want to catch any of the instructors off guard. They might not be aware that this is implementation. We need to make sure that they are building their syllabus around the idea that this assignment is something that has to be given near the end of the semester. All right, I will talk to you later. I hope you have a nice holiday and Happy New Year. Talk to you later.